Bots are automated computer programs created to carry out particular activities with little to no human involvement. Crypto trading bots automate the process of trading one or more cryptocurrencies on one or more platforms on behalf of the owner or user in the realm of cryptocurrencies. Today we will be looking at top 10 crypto trading bots in the world. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. Number 10. Tesla Coin. Tesla Coin is a cryptocurrency trading robot that, before trading, transforms all of the funds in your account into Tesla Coin. This means that if the value of Tesla Coin increases, you could increase your account size in addition to making money through trading. The Tesla Coin robot has the ability to trade Cardano, Ripple, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. The platform doesn't say what percentage of trades it wins, but it uses an AI algorithm to monitor the market and spot successful settings. Tesla Coin allows trading around the clock and provides a demo account so you can observe how the platform works in the current market environment. Tesla Coin is cost-free to use and doesn't take a cut of your earnings as commission. A $250 minimum deposit is required to start a new trading account. Number 9. Crypto Bank. Another potent Bitcoin trading robot that's worth looking into is CryptoBank. This platform continually adjusts to the conditions of the cryptocurrency market to help you maximize your profits. It does this by combining artificial intelligence and machine learning. 99% of all trades that the platform opens result in wins, according to CryptoBank. The 5 cryptocurrencies that CryptoBank now supports for trading are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, and the basic attention token. The trading robot can go long or short and utilize leverage to improve your potential profit from every transaction because all cryptocurrencies are traded as CFDs. A demo account is available with this trading robot so you can try out the system safely. The use of CryptoBank is free, and no commissions are levied on your earnings. Number 8. Bitcoin Revolution. The aggressive trading robot Bitcoin Revolution uses a leverage ratio of 5,000 to 1 to increase your potential earnings. That makes this platform potentially profitable on even the smallest price changes, but it also leaves you vulnerable if a trade goes against you. Therefore, one of the greatest trading robots for high-risk, high-reward traders is Bitcoin Revolution. The good news is that 85% of claims made by Bitcoin Revolution are true. Although we were unable to confirm this claim, if it is accurate, employing this trading robot will result in very few deals that are unsuccessful for you. According to Bitcoin Revolution, traders often get a 60% daily return on investment. Although there are no account fees with Bitcoin Revolution, it does take a 2% commission on your earnings. The platform is accessible through both a web interface and an Android mobile app. Number 7. NFT Profit. Unlike other trading bots, NFT Profit concentrates on flipping NFTs rather than trading specific cryptocurrencies. It's one of the greatest trading robots for people who want to concentrate on a market that is rapidly expanding and who don't mind taking significant risks. How NFT Profit's algorithm chooses which NFTs to buy and sell is not disclosed in great detail. It does, however, state that it transforms funds in your accounts to Ethereum so you can trade rapidly on the majority of NFT platforms. Additionally, NFT Profit asserts a remarkable 99.6% victory percentage, yet we were unable to confirm this. Unlike the majority of other cryptocurrency trading bots, NFT Profit doesn't include a demo mode or manual trading. Through a unique online platform, you can keep an eye on your account. Number 6. Bitcoin Profit. Another excellent Bitcoin trading robot, Bitcoin Profit, allows you to trade more than 14 well-known cryptocurrencies. The nice thing about this robot is that you can trade more than 50 markets in total because there are many crypto fiat and crypto pairs for each coin. There will be more chances for the bot to identify lucrative settings and take action on your behalf. To find cryptocurrency trading signals, Bitcoin Profit employs artificial intelligence. The site doesn't impose account fees or charges and claims an 85% victory rate. Additionally, Bitcoin Profit offers free withdrawals that are processed in less a day. Although the platform has an online presence and can be connected with MetaTrader 4, it does not have any mobile apps. You can test the robot out and determine whether it fits your trading style using the demo account that is offered. Number 5. eKrona. The eKrona cryptocurrency is used by the distinctive trading robot eKrona to conduct transactions. All of your platform deposits are initially converted to eKrona. You may trade cryptocurrency pairs like eKrona Bitcoin and eKrona Ethereum from there. eKrona offers support for 14 different cryptocurrencies in total. The advantage of eKrona is that as the value of the eKrona currency increases, so does the value of your trading account. While there are no fees associated with holding eKrona on the platform, there is a 2% commission on earnings from automatic trading. Even if the funds in your account are housed in cryptocurrency, you can always request a free withdrawal. eKrona doesn't provide data on its prior performance or client endorsements. To test the platform out for yourself, it does include a demo mode. To utilize eKrona, you must deposit a minimum of $250. Number 4. Quantum AI. A potent cryptocurrency robot called Quantum AI can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash on your behalf. The robot claims its algorithm is extremely effective and employs artificial intelligence to identify trading setups in these markets. We were unable to confirm Quantum AI's assertion that the platform wins up to 90% of its transactions. Utilizing Quantum AI is practically cost-free. Deposits and withdrawals are both free on the site, which doesn't levy account fees. One of the most affordable AI trading bots accessible, you just pay a commission of 0.01% on your trading winnings. All access to Quantum AI is through a web platform. To begin trading, a $250 minimum deposit is required. Number 3. Bitcoin Era. One of the greatest cryptocurrency trading bots to use if you're new to the market is Bitcoin Era. You may trade a dozen well-known cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, EOS, Ripple, and more, with this Bitcoin robot. To use Bitcoin Era, you don't need any prior trading experience. This platform can trade 24/7 in the majority of market scenarios because it trades such a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. The algorithm used by Bitcoin Era uses a high-frequency trading approach to convert minute price changes into long-term gains for your account. The platform has an 85% victory rate, according to Bitcoin Era. Both an iOS and Android mobile app and a web platform are used to access Bitcoin Era. The site doesn't charge commissions and is free to use. To use Bitcoin Era, you must first deposit a minimum of $250. Number 2. Oil Profit. Oil Profit is not a commodities trading robot, despite its name. Instead, our site is made to automatically buy and trade Bitcoin for you. An advanced AI system powers Oil Profit, which says it can win up to 90% of the cryptocurrency deals it opens. The amazing thing about Oil Profit is that using it is totally free. Both account fees and commissions on your profits are absent. You must make a $250 minimum deposit to use the platform, but withdrawals are always free. You can use MetaTrader 4, a mobile app, or the web to access Oil Profit. Because it enables seasoned traders to keep an eye on signals in real time and switch to manual trading as needed, the MetaTrader 4 program is particularly alluring. Number 1. Bitcoin Prime. The most effective trading bot nowadays is Bitcoin Prime. More than 75 different CFD pairs can be instantly traded for Bitcoin with Bitcoin Prime. This includes pairings with the majority of important currencies and a huge selection of well-known cryptocurrencies. As a result, Bitcoin Prime is able to locate trade opportunities in almost all market circumstances. Although we haven't been able to verify it, Bitcoin Prime claims to have a remarkable 90% win rate. In order to anticipate price changes, the program uses a deep learning algorithm to identify setups and even monitors cryptocurrency headlines. While there are no account fees with Bitcoin Prime, A $250 minimum deposit is required. That's a wrap for today's video. Where are your thoughts on our list? Let us know in the comments section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates.